Young people, here we are. A family that sticks together, bond together, stays together.
What?
Here are baby Branger. Baby Branger. It's Brendan and Geraldine, so that's why it's Branger. Ayan ang baby dog namin. Si Branger. Mix yan, mix ng kung ano-anong aso. Di naman maintindihan kung anong lahi meron siya. Mixed blood.
Mix
Bansot.
Geraldine and Brenda.
Mixed dog. Ayan. So, yung mom niya is mixed din na Jack Russell na may halong aspin na. Pero maliliit yung mga binti nila. Ayan. So, hindi namin alam kung anong tatay nito. Mabalbon na parang German Shepherd na ewan. Ayan siya. Tapos, maliit din ang kanyang mga binti. So, ulo lang may bibi. Ew! Say hello to them na, baby mahal. Say hello to them. Ayan. Ayan, may lamat yung mata niya kasi dati nakipag-away siya sa isang dog namin. Nag-aaway sila sa isang babaeng dog, si Jiver. Ayan na, say hi! We're going somewhere. We're going to Lolo's place. Bye, everyone! Say bye-bye. Say hello to them. Ayan ang baby dog namin. Sunday, so it's a family day. Dog ang kasama. Okay mga lalabs, I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and share our YouTube channel, Gigi Miniado and Brendan Campanoia. And we do have also a YouTube channel for our dog, Branger. Bye!